Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is just a good old get ready with me. Surprise, surprise, not wearing a wig today. Who am I? I really enjoyed doing this video. I'm glad that you guys like these videos. A lot of you tell me that you just love when I upload these because it's so just chill and you do your makeup with me and it's like hanging out with the friends, and I'm glad you enjoy them because I really enjoy doing these with you as well. In this video I played with a lot of older favorites, a new thing as well, a new palette in my life, and I'm excited to just hang out, do my makeup, and share this look with you. Let me give you my details really quick. My choker and earrings today are both from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BEAUTYBEAN for 10% off. These plugs are from Love Kills Boutique, and this ring is from Ana Luisa. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and hang out and play with some makeup. Hello, how is it going? Today is Friday the 14th. I'm getting ready for work and I thought I would just film a little get ready with me since I have this new Lunar Beauty palette to play with that I am so excited about. I'm also really excited because my hair is finally in a place where I can kind of start styling it again. I was able to put some texture in it. My hair is pin straight, and when it was at the lengths that it was at in this growing out process, it's like it doesn't do enough to bend, and this is really the most my hair can do. It doesn't really hold like a curl, but I'm able to kind of put some texture in it, and that made me really happy. So we're gonna do my first video in many months where I get ready with my natural hair instead of a wig, and I'm really excited. I'm not ditching the wigs at all by any means. I'm looking at my wig wall right now. I love my wigs. I will still wear my wigs, but once in a while I'm gonna bust my natural hair out again, and that's gonna be really fun. One day I'll color it again, but I just want to let it grow until then. Obviously, I already did my eyebrows and I already primed because I like to prime before I do my eyebrows so it can really sink in. And I did a little primer combo today. I did the e.l.f. Poreless Putty because I'm still trying to finish it up. Look at this progress. Ooh, we're getting there. And then I just layered the Glossier Future Dew over top of it because I wanted a very glowy base. I haven't layered these two primers before. I don't layer primers all the time, but sometimes I just get the inkling too, so thought that would be fun. As always, if I forget to mention something, it'll all be in the description box down below. But yeah, let's just hop in. I haven't filmed a get ready with me in a couple weeks, so let's hop into it. I'm gonna use the Fenty Eaze Drop in the shade 1. I've still been really liking this, and I really wanted to see what this skin tint would look like on top of the Future Dew. So just plopping some on my Juno & Co. sponge. Just gonna go to town. I hope you're doing well. What are you up to the day you're watching this? What is new in your life? Everything's good with me. We're just setting up the house. I guess this is my first get ready with me being filmed in this house. I'm so happy. I feel so good. I'm so happy that that stress is over with. We are here, we are moved in, and now we just get to work on making this place a home, and it's so fun. I feel like I like this skin tint even more on this primer, and I already loved this skin tint. Oh, that's exciting. For concealer, I'm actually not out of my Shape Tape yet, but it is so low I have to like scrape the bottle. So I've put that Shape Tape with my brow product so I can use that as my brow cleanup concealer. And I'm moving on to something else for my face. I started using yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I don't remember. I started recently using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer again. Mine is in the shade C1. And I'm quite enjoying it actually. I knew I liked this concealer, but I haven't used it in a very long time, so I'm excited to be busting it out again. It's so creamy and blendable. I like the Conceal and Define as well, but I do like the Conceal and Hydrate just a wee bit more because I do have normal to dry skin. It is such a lovely day outside. It was so lovely yesterday too. It only got to like the 70 max yesterday, but it was mostly in the 60s. It was so nice. I had to work all day, but I enjoyed it in the morning and the evening. Slept with the windows open last night so that that crispness could fall in the morning, and it's still so nice. It's gonna get a little hotter today, but I thought our crispy days were over, and they pretty much are, but I'm gonna embrace these crispy mornings. I wanna go home decor shopping soon. I think we might try to take an at-home trip one of these weekends. I love at home so much. I am just counting down the days till my birthday in July because I've heard that At Home is like the first store to start busting out Halloween decorations in July. I've heard it usually happens like right around the 4th of July. My birthday is July 7th. So in theory, my plan for my birthday this year is I want to just go to At Home and shop for Halloween decor. So I hope that happens. I might be having too ambitious of thoughts. I don't know if the Halloween decor will really be out that early, but one can dream. I've been craving Halloween lately. I love it so much. I want that time of year back. I really never wanted to end, but for a while I'm okay with Christmas. And then typically I'm really into like Valentine's Day decor, and then I like doing springy decor like bunnies and stuff like that. I'm not a big Easter celebrator, but I like the decor that's involved. And then usually after that I'm sad and just want summer to be skipped so we can move on to Halloween. And that's where I'm at right now. I even have my Hocus Pocus tumbler that my friend Jenny gave me. So now at this point, I'm just gonna take my Milk Makeup Blur setting powder and I'm going to just set my under eyes and like right around like my mouth where creases tend to happen, because I am gonna use a cream blush today, so I don't wanna set my whole face, but I do want some of my creasy bits set before I go in with that. I feel like now that I'm in my new and bigger kitchen, I need recipe ideas because I'm so inspired to cook new things now that I have more space. So if you have any favorite recipes that are vegetarian friendly that you think that I would enjoy, send them to me because I'm very interested in trying some new things. We're down for pretty much any food. I really like Mexican food. I really like Italian food. I'm honestly okay with anything. Asian food, honestly anything. Send it all to me. I am gonna quickly just add a little bit of bronzer as well. This is my Becca Bali Sands. Look how much progress. Been using just this bronzer the last couple weeks. Well, that doesn't really mean much because I've only worn makeup like maybe 4 or 5 times in the last couple weeks, but that is what I've been using. This is an Alter Ego #1 brush. I just want to lightly swirl some of this just to add some warmth. I haven't been feeling overly bronzy lately. I mean, I guess I'm always more of a blush than bronzer person anyway, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm good with just a small amount and then I can move on with my life. All right, for cream blush, I really wanted to use this Nude Flush liquid blush from Milani. I was using the Rose Romance the other day. I'm just doing a little drop on my hand because these liquid blushes are very pigmented, which I'm good with, but I do want to make sure that everything can stay within my control. I can always add more, you know what I mean? So I'm just adding some little dots, and then I'm just going to take my sponge and blend this out, focusing it kind of in the higher up part of my cheek. Yeah, I'm definitely going to add some more. That was not enough. The Rose Romance one goes a lot farther. It's like a deeper pink. Just going to add a little bit more to the back of my hand and I will tap a few more dots around the top portion of my cheekbone. Let's just add a little more to the nose, why not? I feel like right this second I have no preference between liquid, cream, or powder blush. I'm kind of alternating between all of them. I literally am good with everything. Sometimes I am gravitating more towards one thing than the other, but right now I literally just want to wear it all. I really like this blush because it's just very, I don't know, almost natural looking. Like I feel like this looks like what my skin would potentially do if I spent a lot of time in the sun, but I don't do that, so I avoid the sun like the plague. Yes, I do. Pretty much only see it when I'm going on a run. All right, so I just want to quickly set like the remaining parts of my face that might still be a little sticky. So this is my NYX High Glass Finishing Powder in the shade Light, and I'm just taking that on a big Colourpop F28 brush, just so my face isn't sticky and tacky. I'm using just very light pressure, just doing a light little dusting on everything. Okay, I just had like 3 people text me about scheduling an appointment with me, so let me get back to them and then we will move on to freckles and highlight and everything else. All right, back and ready to go. I'm gonna pop on some freckles now with my Jason Wu Jason the Freckled Boy Freckle Tint. Longest name in history. Let's start by adding my fake beauty mark that I've been doing because I think it's so cute. And then I'm just gonna fill in my natural ones. so that they are more enhanced. I feel like I'm already getting kind of low on this product. I mean, I guess it's been a little while since I bought it and I've only been using this freckle product, so I guess that makes sense. I think I bought this on like the 31st of March. So I guess I've had it almost 2 months of consistent use, but I do feel like this one is dying on me faster. Just doing a couple sprinkled across my nose, going up through my brows, just a teensy little bit. Now I'm just gonna lightly tap that guy out so it's still darker but just more diffused. And now we can do highlight. I'm gonna use Moon Cruiser today from Kaleidos because I do want to play with some blues in my Lunar Beauty palette. And this is still one of my favorite highlights of all time. I think it's so pretty and I haven't worn it in a while. Ooh. Look at that. It's absolutely splendid. And now I'm just gonna spray my face with the 4th Ray Beauty Glisten Up Illuminating Mist and we'll move on to the eyes. All right, let's play with some eyeshadow. I'm not totally sure what I wanna do actually, because I do wanna play with the blues, but I don't feel like I want a blue look, so to speak. Like I do feel like I wanna play with some of these tones as well in conjunction with the blues, and I really wanna play with this shade. I just want to play with everything. I'm so excited. Gigi, thank you again for gifting me this palette. I'm just so, I don't know, full of love. I have no words and I have no idea what I want to do either. I guess let's just start. I think I'm going to start by just swirling the Summer Sky shade through the crease and we will just go from there. This palette, just like the Strawberry Dream palette, I feel like looks even prettier in person and I'm sad I slept on it. That's for darn sure. Priming with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm gonna blend it out and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take Summer Sky on this Spectrum B06 brush. It's kind of like a medium-sized blending brush. And I'm just going to go to town in the crease. I don't feel like I want this like overly winged out or overly anything. I don't know, I just want to look where like the lid shimmer shade blends into my crease. I don't want to do anything too crazy today. I just want something bold and pretty. I'm gonna put a little extra blend up towards my brow as well, just to give it a little bit of that grungy feel. I'm just holding the end of my brush and doing little small motions. I think I want to take this pinky shade now to blend it out because I don't really want the dusk shade. I think this one will be a little prettier. This is a build-in blend brush from MOTD Cosmetics. And I'm just going to, again with a very light hand, just very softly blend this around the edges. Just want to create some soft blends before I go through and start adding my darkest shade and then my lid shade. You guys know the drill. You've seen me blend eyeshadow 500 times, but still just want to explain just in case anyone's new here. All right, let's deepen things up. I want to take the Earthbender shade. I haven't really looked at the shade names on this palette. They're really cute. I really like them. This is an e.l.f. pointed eye pencil brush, just a really small, well, it's not really small, but a smaller kind of tapered, more dense blending brush. And I just want to pop some of this in the outer corner and just kind of tuck it a little bit through the crease just to add some depth. Just taking a little bit of product at a time and just kind of lightly placing it. I'm gonna smudge some of this on my lower lash line as well. And now we're just gonna kind of work back up the gradient. I'm gonna take Summer Sky, that first shade again, on that Spectrum brush. These are blending out really nice so far, but they are just browns. Browns don't typically give me problems, but you never know. Sometimes they do, but I wasn't expecting them to. I've had nothing but pleasant experiences with my Moonspell and my Strawberry Dream, so this is more just playtime for me. And now I'm gonna take more of that dusty pink shade on that bigger blending brush. I'm just going to swirl this around as well. Just doing light little motions, light little dustings. All right, I think I'm ready to play with my lid shade now. So I just want Meteor smeared all over. I think it's gonna be pretty. That's what I wanna do. I'm gonna take that on this So Susan brush. It's very old. I got this in a BoxyCharm 5,000 years ago, but it's just a packing brush, and I'm stamping my NYX Glitter Primer all over my lid. And then just dipping right into Meteor. I feel like I've been calling it Meteor Shower. It's just called Meteor. Maybe I've been saying it correct. In my mind, it was called Meteor Shower. Oh, just look at that color. Ooh. Manny does shimmers so well. I mean, his mattes are great too, but the shimmers are just always so dimensional. Holy cow. That is amazing. I am blown away. I'm really happy I went this route because that looks so just pretty. A little grungy with like the heavy blended inner corner, but also just like, I don't know, fairly simple, but still bold. I don't know. I have a lot of descriptive words apparently. I like this a lot, a lot, a lot. It's so cute. Okay, lower lash line. I do want to take some Deep Sea and pop it on my lower lash line. I know that's so typical to do like the warm crease with the blue lower lash line, but you know what? I guess I'm just feeling that vibe today. Just a little pop of color. This is a lot more pigmented than I expected on this lower lash line, but that's good. I'm good with that. Putting more focus in that front portion and just kind of lightly dragging it outwards like that. I'm just gonna take some brushes I had before. I don't have any additional product on these brushes. I'm just gonna use what's left over to help blend and diffuse. Oh, I think that pop of blue is actually really, really cute down here. I mean, I didn't think it would be bad or else I wouldn't have done it, but it's nice to see it kind of come to life. So for my inner corner, I'm like blown away by this silver, but I don't think I want the silver in my inner corner for this look. So I guess we'll just go with Flare. Or you know what? Maybe we should use my face highlight, Moon Cruiser. That would look perfect in the inner corner. Let's go with that. When in doubt, just use your face highlight. It'll always connect and look pretty. Oh yeah, that was a good move, Betty Jean. You made a good decision. Oh, I love this. I feel like my eyes look so galactic. It's really pretty. Well, this is the point where I go ahead and repeat it on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and something on my lips, and then I will be back to finish this up. All right, this is the look complete. I feel super cute, super pretty. I'm happy that my hair is at a length again where I feel like I can play with it and feel good. I know a lot of you like to give me compliments on my hair that lasts like, I don't know, 5 months of me wearing wigs as it's been growing out to the stage it's at now, and I appreciate the compliments, but I gotta go with what feels good to me. And now I feel good in my hair again, so that's good. It's just a patience game, you know what I mean? It's growing at a nice speed. It's healthy, it's happy. I'm just now excited to wear it again. The eye pencil I threw in is Azure from NYX, my favorite metallic bright blue liner, and it really accentuates what I did on that lower lash line. My lashes are a pair of Lunar Beauty lashes that I hadn't worn until now for the first time. These are the style Aries. I really like these. I do like Luna more. Those ones I totally killed. Gigi actually gifted me another pair of Lunas with this palette, so thank you very much. I do like Luna more as far as the style goes, but these are also just really pretty and big and fluffy and everything that I want in a lash. And then on my lips, my little lip combo is the Ashton Lip Pencil from Colourpop with the Rattler Ultra Glossy Lip. I just wanted something kind of cool tone, neutral-ish, nothing too crazy, just something to kind of go with my crease. I'm gonna wipe it off at some point anyways because I'm gonna be wearing a mask all day, but yeah, this is the look complete. I really like how it came out. It's super pretty. I feel like I haven't done anything quite like this in a while, and I really, really enjoy this lid shade. I'm excited to play with this palette more. I'll definitely do an Instagram video. I'll probably play with it again at some point. I might try to do a palette bingo with all 3 of my Lunar Beauty palettes. How does that sound? Anyways, let me just zoom out and we will finish up this video. All right, so that is it. This is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed my get ready with me today. I hope you just had fun hanging out with me. I would love to know your opinion on any of the products that I used today, especially the palette. Do you have it? What do you think about it? I want to hear all of your thoughts down below. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a blue emoji because I feel like we have a decent amount of blue going on. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.